This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get back formatted data from a pen drive. When you format a pen drive, your files aren't truly deleted. Instead, the system just removes the pointers to them, making the space appear empty. This means your data often remains physically present until new information overwrites it. To maximize your chances of successful recovery, it's absolutely critical to stop using the pen drive immediately after the accidental formatting. Any new data written could permanently overwrite your valuable files. Understanding what happens during formatting is key. When you format a pen drive, the file system essentially clears the table of contents, making it seem like all your files are gone. However, the raw data itself often persists on the drive's sectors. The real danger comes from overwriting. If you continue to use the pen drive, even for small files, you risk writing new data over the old, making recovery impossible. Think of it like erasing a library's card catalog, but leaving the books on the shelves. The primary method for recovering formatted data involves using specialized data recovery software. There are many reputable options available, both free and paid, that can deeply scan your pen drive. These programs work by looking for the remnants of your file structures and data signatures. Once the scan is complete, the software will typically present a list of recoverable files. You can often preview these files to ensure they are intact before proceeding with the actual recovery, which is a very helpful feature. When you're ready to recover your files, it's absolutely vital to save them to a different storage device, not back onto the formatted pen drive. Saving to the same drive could overwrite other recoverable data. If your pen drive is physically damaged, or if software recovery fails, professional data recovery services are an option, though they can be costly. Finally, the best defense against data loss is a good offense. Consistently back up your important files to multiple locations to avoid these stressful situations entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.